What's going on, Gary here. In this video, what I want to do is answer a frequently asked question people have before they join E1U Life and they want to promote it as an affiliate. Okay, so maybe you've been seeing some of the incredible results, the case studies of everyday people joining E1U Life and making these high ticket, instant paying commission. And you want to know, is this a pay to play program? Do you actually have to own the package of training to qualify for commissions at that level? Well, all those questions and more, I'm going to be answering step by step inside this video. Now, before I dive into that, I will share a link is going to be directly below this video. When you go to that link, you'll be able to find out much more information, as well as some incredible bonuses I've put together to ensure that you succeed with this program. Let's dive right in. So they have the different packages inside of E1U Life, from Elevation Basic, which is a $25 commission with a $5 admin fee. Okay, all of these, there's a commission that you would get as an affiliate, and then there's an admin fee that goes to the product or the company owner. Okay, so let's say Vertex Live, for example, this would be a $2,000 commission, and then $500 is the admin fee. So now, if you just join the basic E1U Life and let's say you join at the Vertex Live level, okay? What that does is that unlocks your ability to earn at this Vertex Live level and all the levels under it, okay? So whatever level you join, you unlock the ability to earn at that level and all the levels under it. Okay, that's the basic E1U Life. So at the basic E1U Life level, yes, it is basically a pay-to-play program, but there is a way around it if you don't have the funds to position yourself at the highest level. If you don't have the ability to join at the highest level just yet, you can still earn 50% commissions at the higher levels by using the bridge license. And I'm going to get into what the bridge license is. So if you actually go to your dashboard inside, you'll be able to see this E1U Marketing Pro banner typically, okay? Or you can go down here. Now, when you click that, if you're not currently a member of E1U Marketing Pro, you will see the basic sales page, okay? The page explaining much more information. Now, I don't have access to that because I'm actually a member, but essentially what it is there's two ways to join that Marketing Pro, okay? Now, Marketing Pro is basically if I go here, okay, this is what it looks like, the dashboard. It's basically tons of assets and tools to market. Now, you don't have to use this to market E1U Life specifically. You can use it for any online business. But in the case of this example, I'm going to be applying it to promoting this as an affiliate. So they have autoresponders built in, web hosting, tons of different tools and marketing. And what this is this is $49 a month, or you can do a one-time annual payment. So you pay once for the year, okay? So let's assume you wanna earn 50% commissions at the levels you don't currently own, okay? What you would do is you could join E1U Marketing Pro. Let's say you just did the $49 a month. And what unlocks is the reseller bridge license, okay? And I'm gonna actually cover how this works. So what this does is all you have to do to qualify for this license is just own at least one package, okay? At least package number one, which is the Elevation. So if you own any one of the packages, you qualify for this. And it says any package you don't own, you can sell and earn you can sell and earn a 50% commission, okay? So let me go back and break this down. So let's say we go to the packages. Let's say the highest level you can join currently is the Vertex Elite for $550, okay? So again, what that would do is that would unlock your ability to earn at that level and all the levels under it. But now let's say you have $49 set aside and you want to join the Marketing Pro. Now what you can do is you can earn commissions on the Vertex Live and Vertex Pro Connect levels. You can earn 50% commissions at that level. So let's say, again, you're at the Vertex Elite level and you're a current member of Marketing Pro. Now let's say you go out there, you use my step-by-step bonuses, you use maybe the training inside of your back office in E1U Life, and you make a Vertex Live sale. What would happen is 50% of that, okay, or right around $1,000, because each of these levels has a payment or commission you make, and then an admin fee that goes to the company owner. So for the Vertex Live, it's a $2,000 commission, and then $500 is the admin fee. So 50% on that $2,000 commission, you would earn $1,000. Again, you don't own the product, but you still earn 50%, $1,000. Now, where does that other 1,000, where does that other 50% go? Where does that other $1,000 go? That would go to your sponsor, in this case, me, when you join through the link below and access my bonuses. So that is really how you can do this if you're not in a position to join at the higher levels, okay? I wanted to shoot this video because this is a common question. A lot of those programs online, it's only pay to play. It's only you earn if you purchase it. And again, maybe you're in a country that, you know, is the earning ability of your job or salary is way lower than, let's say, United States or Canada or something like that. And, you know, you see $2,500 and that's a lot of money. Well, again, do the $49 a month, start to earn 50% commission. And then as you do, you can upgrade once you have enough to qualify for the highest level. And then you're earning virtually 100% commission at the $2,000 commission level. Okay, so I hope this made sense. Comment under this video if you're watching this on YouTube. If you have any questions you don't understand, I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. Go down to the link below. Get started through me because I've been online for about 6 years now. I know what works. I know what doesn't work. I know it's difficult for people. I've really simplified the process so you can really get started, hit the ground running, and make as many commissions in as easy and quick a time as possible. So thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on the next video.